How to remove the Peugeot Partner K9 front door panel. We will begin by removing the inner door mirror cover. This one you need to pull it out and then unplug the speaker by pressing onto that part there. Next we're going to remove this torque screw, which is located underneath this cover. On the side of the door panel there'll be another torque screw followed by a torque screw down the bottom. With a plastic tool, remove the window switch. You do not want to use a flathead middle screwdriver as you can damage the switch plate or the door panel itself. Unplug the switches. Next, using a plastic tool, we will remove this large cover trim over here. It's only held on by clips, so you want to be gentle and unclip as you go all the way around. Don't just pull off one side completely as you can damage this or break the clips. Underneath there are two torque screws. Remove both of these torque screws. For the next part, what holds the door panel in place is clips on the inside. These clips can break. With a plastic tool, go in between the door panel and the door itself, and either with your fingers, you'll need to get in between and pull the bottom out first, or if you do have a clip remover like this, you can go to where the clips are and unclip. But keep in mind, even with a clip remover, they can still break the clips on the inside, which I will show you. So if you don't have a clip remover, all you do is you go in with your hand, fingers, and then pull the bottom out first. It's going to require a slight bit of force. And then once you pull the bottom out, you want to slide this upwards to detach from the window sill, and that's the same way you put it back. Now one trick is, these clips need to be on the door panel. See these white ones, that one's broken. Get the clips, any clips that are left on the door like this, and put them onto the door panel, as it makes refitting much easier. And I'm going to show you with a clip remover, it still broke. And this is how you remove the door panel from a Peugeot Partner.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.